Hey everyone, it's Michelle here or Mishcrafts, and today I'm going to let you guys choose what I eat today. Well, not really. This morning I was craving cereal, but I didn't know which cereal to choose between Fruit Loops or Captain Crunch, so I made a poll on Instagram and 76% of you chose Fruit Loops. So Fruit Loops it is. For lunch, I made another poll on Instagram between ramen and a bento box, and it was a really close vote, but you guys chose a ramen cup noodle, so I made it and I ate it. For the afternoon, I was craving something cold because it was really hot, and I was debating between ice cream or snowballs, and a lot of you guys chose ice cream, so ice cream for ice cream. And yes, for dinner, between sushi and lasagna, you guys chose sushi, which I was really hoping for, and I just ordered myself a little box of sushi because I wasn't really hungry. And oh my gosh, look how cute the box is. I would totally order again. Finally, the last food item of the day is movie night, and we usually watch movies during the summer at night, and I made a poll of what snack I should eat during the movie between popcorn and drinks, and you guys chose popcorn. I love popcorn. Hey everyone, it's Michelle here or Mishcrafts, and I'm probably saying this a second time, but anyways, for this half of the video, I'm going to show you guys the homemade squishies I made that were featured in this skit video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the little skit I had for you guys. It was just a random idea, and I thought it would make a really great video, so don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed, and maybe I can do another one in the future. I'm just gonna show these squishies in order because it's easier that way. First, for breakfast, I made this Fruit Loops cereal bowl because you guys chose Fruit Loops over Captain Crunch, so I followed your request and made a Fruit Loops bowl, and I really liked how it turned out. It makes a really weird sound. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's really squishy, by the way. I really like the squishy. Oh, and by the way, I was in the middle of making this squishy until I saw Squishy Boba Forever upload a how to make a cereal bowl squishy, I think that's what it's called. And it's so ironic because I was making one at the same time. I'll try to link that video in the description box down below if you want to know how to make it. Next up for lunch, I made this cup of noodles, and I actually took the styrofoam cup from the actual noodles. I had to make this one because you guys requested it on Instagram. The label on the cup was handmade or hand-drawn by me because I didn't want to take the actual label. In the video, I added some glue so I can like peel it off like an actual label. But yeah, it doesn't stick anymore because I already peeled it off. This is the squishy inside, and it's one piece, so I didn't have to make or cut out individual noodle strips because that would take forever. But this squishy turned out alright. I don't really like it as much, but it looks better when it's in the cup, to be honest. For an afternoon snack, I made this ice cream squishy, and you guys chose ice cream over snowballs. I usually avoid making ice cream squishies because it's really hard. It's a swirly effect. I was really hesitant to make this for this video, but I think it turned out really nice. Maybe I underestimated myself. It's not as slow rising as I expected it to be, but it's all for the looks, right? I don't know what I'm saying. Well, hello, it's future Michelle here, and I'm just popping in because I literally just finished making this sushi squishy, and I literally just finished filming that part of the skit. So here I'm just gonna show you guys what I made for dinner. I made this box of sushi, and I think it turned out so cute because the box and the squishy all ties it together, and just look at it. The soy sauce is substituted with some slime, clear slime actually. And in the box there are a total of 4 sushis that I made, and they come with kawaii faces. It's so cute. So the first one was a shrimp sushi. This one is a salmon squishy. There's an egg one and a roll. I don't know specific names because I'm not a sushi expert, sadly, but yeah, I made 4 of them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Next, I have this popcorn squishy that I made for a movie night because I usually watch movies at night during the summer. I made tiny ones and large ones because I wanted to paint a face on these. And by the way, these were inspired by Squishy Boba Forever because I really liked her popcorn idea. And you guys chose popcorn over drinks, which I was really looking forward to. These are what it looks like, and they look pretty realistic, in my opinion. They come in different forms and they don't all look identical because popcorns are naturally different. I don't know what I'm saying. And that is basically the end of this whole video. If you made it this far, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below your favorite food emoji because I'm curious and I want to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!